Hello future doctors, welcome to another wonderful session of Chemistry Made Simple for NEET, and this is Dr. Radha Subramaniam. So today I am going to continue with the previous year NEET 2021 solved questions from chemistry, and already I have uploaded 2 sessions. I am sure you would have all watched and attempted to try those questions, and I am actually picking up 4 questions at a time because if I do everything together it will be so confusing and difficult for you and you won't get time to finish as well. So that is why I am breaking the total questions into parts and working it out for you. And today I am going to start with a very simple joke which is circulating, like they say that don't drink water while studying, because what does chemistry say? Chemistry says that concentration decreases on adding water. So with that light note we will be starting with the first question for today, and the first question is based on a simple problem. Okay, now we will read the question first. A particular station of All India Radio, New Delhi, broadcasts on a frequency of 1.368 kilohertz. Okay, and the wavelength of the electromagnetic radiation emitted by the transistor is, and they have given you the speed of light which is 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. So what all data is given in the question? The All India radio station New Delhi, it is broadcasting on a frequency of 1.368. So frequency is given, and wavelength of the electromagnetic radiation you have to find out, and they have given you the speed of light as c, that is 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. So the options are 219.2 meter, 2192 meter, 21.92 meter, 219.3 meter. See, the answers are little bit very close to each other, option 1 and option 4, because they are giving such questions so that by just decimal point difference you will get the answers wrong. So you have to be very careful while working out the decimal part of such questions. And you know that the formula for energy of electromagnetic radiation, E is equal to hc by lambda, that is equal to h into gamma. Cancel out h and h, and we will get c by lambda is equal to gamma. So from that we can get a formula for lambda, that is wavelength, that is c divided by gamma. Okay, now what is c? 3 into 10 raised to 8, just substitute the values, divided by the 1.368 kilohertz, you can change it like 1368 into 10 raised to 3. Just work out the calculations and the answer will be 219.3 meter. So you have to work out the calculations quickly. So better you can do this part 10 raised to 8 and 10 raised to 3, those part you can solve first, and or just you take like 3 and 5 zeros, because denominator it is a 4-digit number. So then you work it out and then solve for the 10 raised to part, and the answer is 219.3. I will do the calculations in some other session for you. Okay, today we will move on to the next question. Okay, here 2 statements are given, and what is statement 1? That is the acid strength increases in the order given as HF less than HCl less than HBr less than HI. That is first statement. What is the second statement? Statement 2. As the size of the element fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine increases, as the size of the elements increases down the group, when you go down the group, then the bond length of HF, HCl, HBr and HI decreases, and so the acid strength increases. So these 2 statements, in the light of the above statements, you have to choose the correct option from the ones given below. So what are the 4 options? Both statement 1 and statement 2 are false, then statement 1 is correct, statement 2 is false, statement 1 is incorrect but statement 2 is true. Both statements 1 and statement 2 are true. Okay, now what is the correct option? Both statement 1 and statement 2 are true. Why? Because you see, in modern periodic table, when you move down the group, what will happen? Because the size of halogen atoms will increase. So HX bond length also increases. Okay, As a result, the bond enthalpy decreases, and the bond enthalpy decreases, acid strength increases. Okay. So, the correct order of the acid strength will be this. So, option 4 is the, both the statements are correct in this case, because what is the first statement? Acid strength increases, that is the order, that is also correct. And when you go down the group, the bond length, since the size of the element increases, bond length, these and all decreases, so the acid strength will increase. So, since both statements are correct, because for working out or solving all these questions, you have to be really thorough with the concepts given in the NCERT textbook. So, you have to read that textbook thoroughly and get clear with the concepts. Only if you are very strong with your basics, then you will be able to answer such questions when it comes for your NEET exam. Fine. Okay. Now, what is the next question? See, this is an easy question. This is also the same concept based question. Only if you read the textbook, you will be able to answer such questions. The noble gases are named because of their inertness towards reactivity. You have to identify an incorrect statement about them. See, always they ask incorrect. Many children, without reading the question properly, they will suddenly jump into correct statement. You have to read the question properly. It is given as incorrect statement. So, what are the choice? Noble gases have very high melting point and boiling point. Then noble gases have weak dispersion forces. Then the third choice is noble gas have large positive values of electron gain enthalpy. Then fourth choice, noble gases are sparingly soluble in water. Now, what is the correct option? The first option. Why? Because noble gases have very weak dispersion forces, that is intermolecular forces they are weak. So, as a result, they have low boiling and melting point. So, the option 1 is incorrect because it is given as very high melting and boiling point, and if you go through the properties of noble gases in your NCERT chapter, now all the other these statements are all given. So, why they are testing? To see if you have the correct knowledge or correct concept based upon the textbook. So, you should be thorough with the concept, as I always tell you. Okay. Now, next one more question we will have for today. What is the question? The molar conductance of NaCl, HCl and CH3COONA at infinite dilution, it is given as 126.45, 426.16 and 91. Okay. So, what they are asking? The molar conductance of CH3COOH at infinite dilution is, you have to choose the correct option. So, what are the choice? 390.71, 698.28, 540.48 and 201.2. Okay, how do you solve this question? This is based on according to Kohlrausch's law of independent migration of ions. So, what does it say? Molar conductivity of CH3COOH, that is equal to, you add CH3COONA plus HCl minus that of NaCl. So, all the values are given in the question. See what is meant by respectively. First one is NaCl's value, this is HCl, this is CH3COONA. So, what you can write? 91 plus 426.16 minus 126.45. Okay. That of NaCl you have to write after minus sign. So, you add these two values, then from the total you subtract 126.5. 45. Do not make any calculation errors, because if you make calculation errors, your answers will go wrong, because this is all such easy questions. Easily you can score 4 marks for such questions. You will get a final answer as 390.71, which is option number 1. So, I hope this is clear for you. Always questions come from this topic like molar conductivity and limiting conductivity. All these topics you have to be thorough with the textbook, and I have uploaded many lessons for you, so that it will be really useful for your last minute revisions. Those who have not finished reading the NCERT textbook can also depend on these portions which I have uploaded for all of you. I am sure that those who are working, all of you are working hard, and I am positive that you will be doing your exams extremely well, and I will be uploading more such the continuation of question papers solution in the coming videos starting from Monday, because on Sunday we will be having, as I already told you, the textbooks, all the textbooks for the first year MBBS. MBBS student is going to tell you in detail, give a detailed explanation of the textbooks. So, you should be very anxious regarding the what all books are you are going to learn for the first year MBBS, and I am sure that you will be thrilled to watch that video which we will be uploading on Sunday. With the coming 2 Sundays you will be having that, and after that we will be continuing with our motivation videos by our special guests. And again I am repeating that I am very extremely happy to see that every day many students are subscribing to our channel Chemistry Made Simple for NEET, because this is our channel, this is not my channel, it is our channel. Together we are working out to achieve a main objective in our life, which is a seat for MBBS. So, we are in it together, we will work together hard for your dream to come true. With that I am winding up this session for today. Thanks for watching.